Namaskar. Let us understand the type of data known as set type in Python. There are two set types in Python. One is called normal set and another is called frozen set. So what is a set type? That means it is a collection where I can have unordered data. That means I cannot index on that data, and I have a unique data set. And another interesting point here is that whatever set values are there, they are immutable values. You can change set itself, but you cannot change data within a set directly. So we'll explain it just now. Let me make a set. For example, I am making set1 is equal to, so the symbol for set is this kind of curly braces. Say I am putting one integer, one float value, one text value. I can put different types of values in a set. And let me print this set. Okay, let me print this. So it will immediately get printed. Right? It is being printed with these curly braces, so indicating that this is a set. If I put any value again in this set, say I put 2.5 again, then also the uniqueness of it will be maintained. Another point is I cannot put a mutable value, like I cannot put a list within this set. Just see, if I put a list within this set, will give an error because unhashable data type. List is a changeable mutable value, so mutable values are not hashable, means because they do not produce a unique identity, unique mathematical transform of that number, that particular type of data. So that means this is not possible in a set. This text is not mutable, it is immutable, so I can keep it here. If I keep a tuple here, that I can keep in a set. It is possible. Just see, a tuple is possible because it is immutable. You cannot change it. So now you have seen the property of set, and I cannot index a set. That's why it's an unordered data. Now let me show you frozen set. Let me show you FS1, frozen set 1. So frozen set, there are no special curly braces. You have to only type this function frozen set, and I can put a set inside a frozen set to show that this set is a frozen set, and I am putting text inside this, and let me print this frozen set also. The difference I'll just tell. Frozen set. Just see that this frozen set has been printed. The difference in frozen set is that I cannot change anything in set items. Cannot. Here in this type of set, I can add or remove items. Details of how this is done we'll study in a later session. Right now you have to understand the basic property that set is an item which is unordered data, unique items, and individual items are not changeable. You can put a text, sequence or tuple, but not list and not dictionary. So those things you cannot put here. In a frozen set, it is basically a set where even these items cannot be removed or added. So that is a frozen set. So basically we have two types of set. Okay. So this is the basic information about the set. Let us also understand the concept of set with the help of Gemini AI. So I am asking to explain this code. So this will tell me about this set type and frozen set type, both types, which is what is a set and what is a frozen set. So let me see. it has explained me. The code statements, what is a set? So creates a standard set. So set, it is calling a standard sets. Sets are unordered collection of unique immutable elements. The comments are clear. I can add or remove items. And then frozen sets are, as name suggests, comments cannot change the set items, points out frozen sets are immutable version of sets. Once created, their elements cannot be changed, added or removed. So both has been printed here, right? So this is now very clear. If you are liking my videos, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.